News Avenue back with a bang with yours truly Sizwe Blood sesibuyile asibuyanga sigalelekile uyazi ukuthi sikulandela wonke umuntu ongamcabanga kule podcast politicians sike saba nomavafa sike saba nohlabisa weIFP sike saba nomuntu Mike Mabuya kakhulu weANC umchunu beMK hey the list is endless namhlanje ke sikulandele iactor iwriter MC okay nje all of the above ukhona la namhlanje uNelisa Mchunu abanye bamazi kakhulu ngofikile kuzalo pu right
Ngiyaphila njani?
ngiyajabula ukubona
Likewise.
umuhle
Guys, Usizwe had a problem with me doing my makeup. I think ngimtshela ukuthi before I came on the show, singitshela a bit of behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Umgosa behind the scenes. I think ngimtshela ngithi Sizwe, I'm running a bit late. Ngisebenza makeup. Oh, sorry, taking makeup. Ngithi hayibo. Buka sekuyena manje ngincoma mina.
exactly mina kanti le makeup ikhona ngempela
No guys, abantu besilisa nje abaphumeni kwi makeup yabantu besifazane guys. Yabona sithi siyenza makeup, vele it's okay. Niphume ke emva kwalokho
because ngi understand
yes.
Eyokuthi abantu besilisa fanele bayikhiphe ngempela imali yokuthi abantu
Uma ibona manje le awusiziyadlala wena uma ubona manje ukuthi imali fanele ikhishwe.
Ngigxile ku 300.
Ubuwenza nje ngasonke lesikhathi.
Yazi ngizonyuka. Ngikhipha 300 but bekubona kanje sengiconvinced ukuthi khona fanele ibe
u300 uwenza 300
no phela ngikho ngiya appreciate
good
makeup kodwa bekwenzeka into kanje no man fanele inyuke
musudlala ngemama Sizwe musudlala ngemama ngiyalikhulu
can't be less than 1000
more
yeah kanti lo charge malini
for what
relationship osukulayo
it's not a charge but if you're gonna say mama imali yokwenza yonke into like it's hey boy
but ungabona ukuthi kufile ngathi manje seniyacharge it touches a move kind of stuff
a touch is a move yes a touch is a move akekho ongakwazi lokho
can you date someone who's unemployed
no why would I do that
yabo
But no, you know,
what if uyamthanda lo muntu
akhona angeke ngimthande umuntu ongasebenzi because mina if ungasebenzi that for me shows lack of ambition because there's many ways to skin a cow angithi basho njalo so muyindoda mina ngazi ubudoda ukuthi indoda fanele yenze something
uqedile esikoleni useqedile ushapu useya apply umsebenzi ongakaveli
no phela apply ubona ukuthi akwenzeki bona ke ukuthi yini okunye ngamanuva okwenza I can't be here now teaching you that njengomuntu esifazane isikole sobudoda leso esifanele ngabe nina nifundisa nezingane zenu ukuthi ungazulinde government noma private institution usiqashe because we all know that vele imsebenzi right now it's katekateka, you know. So as a man, you make a plan. Oh, baba bethu babephila leyo nto le.
Don't you think ukuthi izinto enjalo ile pressure yini as well?
It's not pressure. Yindaba nina nithi mina ngi-understand ukuthi amadoda mebethi ipressure yemali iphuma kuthina. Nina ninayo ipressure nina ukuthi nifuna imali. Like wena nje unayo pressure ukuthi nifuna imali.
Nayo but wena wenze ngathi I owe you something. Siyangena nje ekuthandaneni. Manje sengifile sengathi ngiyakowa usungifuna imali.
Angithi nami mesingena ekuthandaneni uyafisa ukuthi ngikuphekele. Angithi uyafisa ukuthi mhlambe mekusasihlanda wonke kuba khona isikaftina nyane engizokunika sona ukuthi hayi ubaby ngoba ngiyamazi ushame uhlala yedwa ibachelor akangalala engadlili noma adli take away ngikupheke mina ngithi ngipheke bese ngiyakhamisela isikaftina ngithi just because wena uyidemand leso skaftin akusho ukuthi usideserve leso skaftin so why wena thina mesivocal ngokuthi no but baby ngidinga ukwenza my hair my nails whatever else I need to do mesikuba ngathi nina ngithi anisho lutho thina we are vocal because nami I'm able to take care of you nami ngiyakwazi ukuthi ayi umuntu aphela ngiyazi uhlala yedwa shame akakwazi ukupheka othi ngimphekele noma ngifike kuwena endlini yakho if singahlala ndawonye ngifike endlini yakho ngikuphekele ngenze sure ukuthi ngihambe sengiphekile
but ave ku-unfair njalo nina nifuna ukuchitha anifuna ukukhipha imali yokuyi-entertainment ngiyekela imali ye-entertainment kubantu besilisa
hayi bo
at the end of the day bengifika kwakho kubabani Ngoba
But do you see
une-extra-
where my money? Do
une-extra
you see where my
cash
money is
wena.
going, though?
But
Do you
I
see
think
where it's
ungayikhiphi
going, though?
imali, but
It's not
fine.
that I say keep it complete. Vele vele siyavolunteer thina sabantu besifazane. Asihona.
Is it? Kunje.
Siyavolunteer.
Unje ayekho lento. Babethi awukutshelela-ke lezinto ozenzayo-ke manje. Lezinto ey'ningi ozenzayo, u-MC, ngicela ungibalele ngizokushiya. U-MC, uyi-actor, uyi-writer,
Yeah.
wenzani, motivational speaker.
Yeah.
Ikhona
I'm in
la.
business now.
No,
I'm in business now. Yeah, I'm in business now.
Wow.
Yeah.
And ngiyafisa futhi ukubuza ukuthi usola kanjani isikhathi lento yoku-actor yayithe ngena ngabo-5 iphule
Yeah.
late ngabo bani. And then isiphathi
Yeah.
isikhathi sokupaquza or uqashile. Qasha abantu.
But yasithola isikhathi nanokuthi uyadinga vele usizo labantu if you're running like a business or doing whatever other things oyenza eceleni uyabadinga vele abantu abazokulekelela yabo. But yeah, so acting, yes, vele abantu bangazela lokho. Writing is a new thing engi-add kwi-CV yami. I did a writing course with Star Quality Academy, Creative Arts Academy. So I did a course with them last year. Actually, I'm graduating this year.
Oh,
So
congratulations.
yeah, I'm officially a writer. I haven't done anything professionally as yet, but yeah, I'm a writer because my story actually was the one that was used as the final practical for the other students that do the behind the scenes work. So yeah, so I haven't done anything professionally like with the channels or with, but
Kuya lapho.
ningiqashe phela.
Omunye umnyango
Ningiqashe
ozovuleka
phela
lo.
ngikhona.
Kulelo ukufunda yini kunini?
It's not easy ukufunda for anyone, I think.
Uyazi ngiyabajina nje kwinini-ke nimi lamlight usuthole u-20% kwi-assignment.
Hayibo bayakwazi yini lokho ngoba phela it's between wena ne-lecturer yakho. Basuke batshela uba ukuthi utholwe bani.
Yakubuka nje lecturer ukuthi awubheke lo.
I-lecturer ayifanele isijajele lokho, shame, no. But yeah, what else did you say? MC, yes, I do MC. What else?
Motivational
Motivation.
speaker.
Yes, I do a lot of that. I also do
But uyayibona lento motivational
philanthropy
ukuba
work.
motivational speaker womdlalo.
It's not.
It is.
Umdlalo? Ngobani?
Hayi. Uyazi uthini ungimotivate come kwi-real world ngithi ngiphumela ngaphandle into engathi ngishaya nge-red card ithi yonke lento etisho lo muntu nayi ngenzeki phela.
No, phela ngithi manje inkinga I think sometimes when people do the motivational speaking bayitshela ukuthi fanele uyipackage motivation ibe pretty, but sometimes you really just have to tell people the truth, especially laba abancane.
Exactly, but ama-motivational speakers awalikhuluma iqiniso ukuthi hayi laphana uzofisana nama-challenges asila kuba sengathi wena wrong
Yeah, then
ongayenzi
fanele bakhole out like respectfully though ukuthi no guys, like don't package motivation
njengozondo nje yambona uzondo.
Angazi lutho.
Hey. Hayi, but it's fine.
Awuthanda ukukhuluma. Mina ngazi lutho mina.
Serious?
No, so I think it's people must call it out then. Like Nina, you in the industry, you know so many people. Like you can say to someone, no, tell them, Nancy, got a platform. Tell them, guys, stop packaging motivation to be this pretty little package. Tell the children the truth about what's happening in the real world. Ukuze babe prepared.
Asi-break it down-ke manje kule nto yoku-MC ngiya-understand khona abantu bathi no angenzi lento yokuqaba or something ngenza-corporate kube khona bathi hayi njengothi hawu umngane wami uThasimelane uyokutshela uthi hawu lezi zinto zo-corporate akuzona izayo. Yena ufuna ukuthi are you there?
Concerts and festivals and stuff. Yeah, it sounds very good at that. Mina, I prefer corporates. Mina nje one oqala nje angikwazi nokudansa ke nje. So most of the time when you're at the festivals and the concerts you have to dance. Bajamiswa lezo zinto abantu, you need to be a very like Thai that Thai is out there, I prefer corporates.
Yeah,
Mina ngokwami ngithanda corporates. Not to say I wouldn't do a festival. I can, but I prefer.
Ave ngichaza bese are you ready? That's microphone. Utha. Utha uNtswempu.
UNtswempu ne? Yeah.
uthi asibuyelele kuleyo yoku-actor ke.
Yeah.
Cathi baningi abalingi indaba yoku-actor. Uyithola kanjani into yoku-actor? Ukuthi uyakwazi nawe ukulingisa.
Ngathola kanjani ngampe?
Right place, right time.
I just always knew that that's what I wanted to do. Like yabo lento mukhula uthi yeah nathi yabo like umama esesho ukuthi when I was very very young ngangithanda ukubuka TV. Ngize ngihlale ebusuku wonke umuntu useyolala mina ngibhizi ngibukana nama shows and vele ngakhula loving shows and loving mina ngangenza lento ukuthi mengibuka ishow mase ngihamba mhlawumbe ngekamereni ngiyolingisa lento ede ngiyibuka. Then I think I grew up like that, and I think that's when I realized because no man ngiyayithanda lento lena, like I really like this thing.
Noma
And
usungenile wathola ukuthi kuse same vibe.
same vibe, but different. I like preparation, like it's not easy to be prepared for what you actually experience most of figure 13. So I think when I got to missing figure high school, that's then I had drama. We had drama as a class. So I joined the drama class. Okay, for grade 8, grade 9, you have to do all the classes. Missing figure grade 10, I chose drama as a subject. And I loved
High
it.
school?
Oh, I high school. That's not drama school.
Is it kodwa phela thina sasine history.
No, I'm going to history.
Oh la.
Yeah. I mean, I did drama history. Ngenzi NS, natural science. What else did I do? Geography.
No, ukuthi mina ngafunda kuma standard.
Ah.
Yeah. So nakhona futhi wafunda nokuthi kuyakhiswa kanjani wayibonela ku TV noma wazi nje skiphani. Yeah, good kiss yazi.
What? How do you know that? Oh,
TV.
Yeah.
TV. I had a good kiss.
Wena usukujulelani le?
Angise ngajulile ngidlula ngendlela but kubona ukuthi this one is good. Who taught you in fact?
Akekho.
Kwazenzakalele.
Ngafuna just like everyone else mukhula ezizwe bese wena yathanda
Ukhuluma ngalento ye-acting. Yabo lento ye-acting.
No, but the kissing yako TV is not the same as the kissing with umuntu wakho.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not the same.
Because phela nina
It's not intimate. It's not
ngendlela yokuthi i-convince.
Phela it's not intimate. Niyakhuluma nomuntu nisebenzisana naye, right? And most of the time fanele kube khona vele intimate tone.
Ngempela nawe yamfeel.
Okwakhe phela. Angazi phela mina ngikaze ngi-experience lokho but abantu bebefilana phela bayafilana angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani emva kwalokho. Mina ngikaze ngifile.
Oh bakudlalisa nabantu eninga
Hayi ukuthi azwani. Siyazwana but akukho
akaze kufike la.
Actually yeah akufiki lapho. Yini?
Ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi indaba zokushada noku-actor.
Yeah, good. Even ukujola noku-actor is tricky. Yeah, kunzima vele, kunzima. It's just
so now we are struggling.
I zikhona phela inkulumo eziba khona like with you know partner. Mina always say ukuthi rather don't watch. Yeah, nginayo umuntu.
Oh, are you strong, ne?
Akabuka ngavele ngantshela no shema akekho strong. Hayi ukuthi akekho strong kuleyo department. But yeah, sayikhuluma kahle futhi I was like just don't watch. Just don't watch anything.
It helps.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, it helps.
Manje ikhona nje into yokuthi one day ufuna ukushada.
Of course.
And yazi khona abantu abathi bese be-actor angazi noma basuke sebene right in athi yena a-dictate ama-terms ukuthi mina angifuni ukukhisa umuntu.
I mean, more caster, then you can have that conversation. Ukuthi mina I don't do kissing scenes. You uyakwazi kuba naleyo discussion leyo nama producers. Yeah. Asihlaphe nje manje ngiyashada. Then I'm like, ngoba manje sengikulesigaba engikusona empilweni yami, akusekho right because angizange
kukhona ukuthi ushadile ubhudumezane nomuntu nje.
Kunzima especially thina kwabantu abamnyama kunzima because manje akusekho ukuthi wena wedwa nomndeni wakho mhlawumbe naba sobuka abantu basemzini. and mhlawumbe abantu basemzini ngeke bayi-understande leyo nto, you know.
Even
So
though mina ngi-understand.
even though mhlawumbe wena njengomuntu wami
Namajita futhi
uyayi-understanda, but
bayawa-understand,
phela amajita awabalulekile kakhulu asendaba namajiteni, but like thola ukuthi umndeni umamezali babezala ugogo ubani obani o-anti ubani mhlawumbe ngeke ba-understande lokho, yabo. Then mhlawumbe phela niyaxoxisana nomuntu wakho ubone ukuthi hayi mase mhlawumbe uyafika kwama-producers-ke ucele ukuthi hayi ngiyacela bandla.
Oh.
Futhi it depends on the kind of show. Because if ubuka uNetflix uyabona ama-shows aNetflix njengamanje ukuthi anento ey'ningi ey'julile.
Yeah.
So khona lokho ukuthi
Khalisa.
mawuthola i-brief ye-character, they ask you, how do you feel about nudity? How do you feel about doing sex scenes? How do you feel about that? Lezo zinto-ke it's either uyavuma from the beginning or you don't. And if you don't, then they can't take you, obviously, if that's what they're going to do with the show.
Uluzi ispan.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, iphathe nzima leyo.
Yeah, phela kuya ngawe ukuthi what are you comfortable
Bizokufanele
with.
nawe indaba yokudlala kwe-polygamist, as so unfortunate ukuthi awungenanga.
Yeah, maybe.
Buzoyishaya ngikubonile kuma-roles amaningi yazi nakwi-generation.
Yeah,
wangena
was.
wayi-corporate woman nje lapha ngangisayibuka i-generation
At that time.
lapha.
Yeah.
Ngangiyibukisa wena ngangifuna ukubona
thanks.
kufanele khona abantu abathi nje ebusuku ngifuna ukubona uthanda
I'm
le-character wena yabona.
sure. I'm sure bakhona abantu. I'm sure.
Yeah,
kuyenzeka.
ne-generation ngangiyibukisa. Ngangibuka lo ushintsho owalishaya laphana yabo. Wawufike uyikasi kakhulu ngala yabo kozala. Wase wangena ngala kwi-generation wayi something else nje.
Yeah.
Nesihuwa wagijima naso.
Ngiyazazi.
So manje iziphi indawo oyidlalile no obonayo ukuthi le ngiyafisa ukuphinda ngidlale le role because udlale indaweni eziningi.
Yeah, okay. I think Fiso is definitely one that I would like to, at least one more season. But Chris Q. Shame, Chris, but like, Chris about this. People love that show. Nami, I really loved the show. I think when I saw an opportunity to do one more season, I would do one more season. Definitely, without a doubt. Working with Chris, I
Yeah.
would definitely take that opportunity. What else? Nale Agumi Brothers Keeper actually was very interesting because ngangidlala umuntu
Wawudabukisa laphana?
okhulile ngangadabukisi.
No, awudabukisa mfethu
Ngangadabukisa.
awuqhamuka namaphinifa nje.
Manje mawufaka iphinifu uyadabukisa yini?
Angishongo kanjalo. Don't put words into my mouth. Mina ngikhuluma nje.
Uthi
Wawudabukisa nje. Lokho labaphathi wabonayo ukuthi alapha. Yabo?
Alapha kanjani? Hayi sizothini manje? Engadabukisi la character just because wayezothile.
Okay, mhlawumbe I'm using.
You're using the wrong word.
Wayezothile.
Wayezothile,
I understand that,
yes,
but
yes.
wayizama she under the circumstance.
Of what?
Ngithi wayizama, wayidlala.
Ngayizama.
Wawuzothile laphana.
Yeah, wayezothile shem ukhathazile, which was completely different from what I've done before because one, I was playing a much like mature person. Gidlala umama wengane. It was so funny because when I found out that Raphael Griffiths is uzodlala ingane yami, I was like, how is this gonna work? How is gonna? Raphael actually is older than me by like 1 year.
Yeah.
But I was like, I remember because I even went to Usnini Nyazi. Usnini 92.
Usemncane sis.
Yeah.
Usemncane but siwenza into eziningi.
Ngizamile Nkosi yami uNkulunkulu ube nami.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
yeah, like when I found out that it was Raphael ngizodlala umaka Raphael, I was like, how am I gonna play ma umuntu okhule kanje ovele sekhulile, you know? And I remember I went to Usnini Nyazi, who was our series producer at the time. Seven's under Rhythm World, and I was like, Snini, like, are you sure ngizokwazi ukuyenza le nto le yabo? Because I was like, I don't know, am I going to be able to play Raphael, umuntu osevele esekhulile? Like, will we be able to work it, you know? And Shemusini was very reassuring. I said, don't worry, we'll work it. Makeup, hair, wardrobe, because Vele, it's the whole team that puts everything together. So once I saw the look, the hair, the makeup, the outfits. And I started doing, like, we would do dress rehearsals and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, yeah, ingenzeka ke lento le. And then saqala ke sangena on sets, and the chemistry was just amazing. So kwenzeka.
Yazi lapha na wakudlala noSibu. Yazi abantu bami babazi uSibu le uthi polygamist but kwi-Brothers Keeper.
Usidumo Mtshali.
Usidumo Mtshali. Hayi uSidumo Mtshali.
Yes.
Hey bami babaza kule polygamist
Yeah,
ngibona kakhulu kule khosana. Hey but kwi-Brothers Keeper.
Yeah.
Yobonga ibonga kwi-Brothers Keeper. Ubuyele khona.
Ne? I think it repeats like on by channel 163. I think, yeah. Umzansi wethu, I think.
No, ngibona. So manje nature business yakho?
So
phela khona abantu abane-interest abathi ngifuna ukusebenza naye.
Yes, so I own a catering business. So I cater for people, whether it's a
last number
big
business
thing.
le.
I think it is.
Because I heard umuntu ongalavi.
It's hectic, hey? It's pretty hectic, but again, once you get used to it and you have your own system, so I've done birthday parties, I've done corporates, I've done intimate things. So I've done quite a bit of. So now what I'm doing is actually I'm starting a new venture in the food business. So ekhaya go ma kusenanda, right? So I wanted to do something locally. I wanted to do some. Maybe sure. Hey, mina imsaba ngumkhwanaza ngifuna ukukhuluma into engazazi.
Athi West Island.
So I'm actually starting a new business now. I've started a new business within the food industry. So I've opened up a restaurant in Nanda. It's still relatively new. It's called 4310. 4310. No, kudla kwesintu. So xapiso, inhloko, amanqine enkomo with the dombolo, phuthu, and salads and stuff like that. Angiphathelanga, guys, sorry. So confirm last minute no sizwe ukuthi we're going to do this. But next time, sizwe ngizoniphathela. I'll definitely ngizoniphathela.
Ayisojabula kakhulu.
Yeah, ngizoniphathela. Kube yabo confirm last minute, yeah, so but definitely next time ngizoniphathela. Noma sengilethela nje sengilethela ukudla kuphela. But yeah, so local kudla, that's the menu for now. Then we're obviously gonna incorporate more stuff as the business grows. So yeah.
Manje manager kanjani mfethu? Usibalile
I don't.
Yabona manje usuhedele nokupheka. Umanager kanjani?
Again, ekuphekeni a lot of my catering gigs. Uma wami uyangisiza. Vele kahle ukuthanda ukupheka ngakuthola kuma. Yes. So my mom helps me a lot with that business. And then with the restaurant, kakhulu yo. Mengithi nje ngafundela again, I'd like trust. So with the catering, uma uyena ongisizayo.
Ungayisho number yakho kwabafuna ama services akho.
Oh yes.
No personal as well.
Ay, why fanele be personal?
No,
it's a work number 072-638-5747. That's the numbers of Tola Akona Mustinga. And then obviously there's now the restaurant. With the restaurant, I have business partners. So
deliver.
Yes, but you call it delivery. But obviously charge how far you are. But obviously okwamanje sisasenanda area. Klipu, Machobeni, mhlambe ngakomtshebheni, yabo. So, yeah.
Umtshele bethu, yazi ngicabanga ukuthi uyayisiza ngalento ngoba bayamise ukukhala ngale industry yenu yelokhuzane ye acting.
Yeah.
kuthiwa uhlala ekhaya kangeni income
Yeah,
kodwa kubuhlungu
kuyansela.
futhi ulibone ukuthi nayi i-brothers keeper
Iyadlala,
iphinda iyadlala phansi wena usuyayibhubhudla le mali fila kanjani ngama-challenges anjalo kwi-industry
Ey,
or nisayilwa leyo
um, kubukhuni ukuyilwa leyo yokuqashwa as an actor because kune izinto zakhona like uqashwa depending on izinto zakhona. So for example, I was actually part of a seminar yesterday that I was watching a seminar yesterday. It be hosted Ayanda Stebe that runs the actor spaces, and he was actually talking about this because he's a casting director.
Yeah.
So ukuthola umsebenzi as an actor, right? You have to most of the time you audition. Well, all the time you audition in South Africa. Kuka few abantu bethola by oh no, we want umuntu, and then but you audition. From the audition, you either get a call back.
indaba bakubonanga yini kwamina imidlalo
It's not about yabo, especially muso uyi actor eselaziwayo that is seasoned or that has been working. It's not because abakwazi. It's because they want to see how, if you can portray that specific role.
oh
Yabo.
it doesn't matter ukuthi veteran actor or something.
It doesn't. Not that it doesn't matter, because sometimes I'm a veterans, like they can take it personally, or like most people can, even people that have probably been in the industry as long as I have, they can take it very personally. But it's not a personal thing to you, Uguti. I as doubt my acting skills. It really is to see uzokwazi yini le role, who is the best fit for this role. Kulabantu mhlamba abawu5 esibabizile. Ubani ozoyidlala kangcono, who can tell the story of this character better. Yabo, then kuthathwe loyo. Hayi ukuthi awukwazi uku-act, but maybe khona omunye oyishaya kakhulu leyo role. Yabo. So that is basically the nature of a work. So sometimes igenzeka mhlawumbe uhamba ama-audition awu5 and you don't get any of them. Not because you're a bad actor, but because akuwena, or you know, you weren't the one for that specific role. So
Nokhona engifuna ukuyibizela just for a friend yabo. Leyo ukuthi like ekutheni khona bathi kungcono ujoyine i-agency ethi
not kungcono, that is the way.
No, but bayigqamfula futhi imali. Sefuna ukuthi sisho konke okwenzakalayo. Kuthiwa imali, ipoint lab elokuthi kuthiwa imali. Laba agents akushiya still futhi nawo ongenalo lutho. Right wona ngoba asuke azi izinto eziningi before whatever. But awakushina lutho. Oh, hayi ukuthi awakushina lutho kodwa kushaya ne percentage encane. True or false? No, but ungaphenduli bezoku-affect.
No, I ain't affect. I'm actually
Truth
glad
there.
you're asking this, because baningi abantu aba, you know, abathi oh sicela ungifaka. One, angifakani because angiqashani, nami ngiqashiwe. Angiqashani, I'm not a casting director, so I don't qasha anyone.
Yeah.
I also can't ngikufake emsebenzini because you ungena through auditioning. Basically ungena ngoku-audition, so angikwazi ukuthi mina ngithi nje hawu Sizwe waza khona i-role.
Yeah.
It's not my job also to do that. So I can't do that. So angikwazi
But you
ukuthatha
can
umuntu ngithi
motivate.
ukufaka umuntu. Mina I am pro ama-agent.
Oh, okay.
I always, mina nje abantu abakhuluma nami ngendaba ye-acting class batshele the thola i-agent. I cannot help you. Get an agent. First of all, agent is the easiest way to get auditions,
Yeah.
because most auditions are closed auditions. That means that basendela ama-agent kuphela. Very few ama-auditions are open auditions where uzoza kumenyezelwa ukuthi senza ama-auditions wozani. You know, kumenyezelwe la kumenyezelwa khona on whatever platform. But mancane lawo few. But most auditions are sent to, not even most, all auditions are sent to ama agencies. Right? So if you want to be in the industry, if we misel, that is the best way and the quickest way to get yourself involved. Yabo, because ama-agent iwona athola ama-brief. Iwona athola ama-auditions. Yeah, so it's easy for your agent to take you and send you for an audition. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no.
And in terms of imali, I mean, I'll say this from experience. Yes, the agent iyayithatha imali, but it's not like the agent izothatha 50% imali yakho. That's ridiculous.
Only 60.
Not 60, not
Depending
even.
on
Kanti
the
nina
contract
ama-agent, kanti imaphi lama-agent guys athathi imali ey'ngaka
I'm
zabanje.
just checking.
The agent doesn't take that much money. Nakhona, you need to find out and do your research. Ukuthi, okay, what is the industry standard for an agent to take? Like for me, with my agent, sinemali nje engiyaziyo ayithathayo from like my telenovelas or whatever. But as soon as I do maybe like a feature film, then it's different. But mengitshela ukuthi leyo mali I think it's like 20%.
How?
So it's you need to know the standard amount.
So you need
now
lawyers, Naglen.
as an individual, Angzang?
You need lawyers as well, Naglen.
If no, I mean you can agent. I mean, you just need to know if you want to have a lawyer on your side, that will go through your contract. Then you're more than welcome, I think, to have a lawyer. Are you happy and satisfied? If there's anything they want to maybe offer negotiation or whatever, then sure. I don't think but Mina, with my agent, we have a contract. I read through my contracts. If there's something I don't understand, I ask them to clarify. And it's straightforward into it. It's very simple. It's very clear. Nami, I've done the research. Okay, vele in the industry in South Africa, because look, industry yethu niyaphesha ayifani. So you need to do the research. Like South Africa, what are the standard prices for an agent to take, or whatever, and then you'll know. And then if you are confused, if you don't know, I'm sure your agent should be able to explain everything to you. So when it comes to imali, in my personal experience, right? It's better for me to have an agent, even though they're taking money, because with my agent negotiating for me, Kwama production, I'm more likely to take home more money than me nangiyikhulumela mina. This is my personal experience. From me being ngiyimele mina as an individual working in a production, to me having an agent negotiating on my behalf on another production. I've seen the difference. It makes more sense for me to have an agent.
But before sifundise sahlenda Nelisa Mkhulu odlala indawo kafikile lapha kuZalo, so stika kuZalo ungakhohlwa ukusilandela emakhashini ozokuxhumana iNews Avenue. Don't get it twisted. It's News Avenue. We check lapha ku Facebook, Twitter, nje kona wonke ama social platforms, especially YouTube. Wenze sure ukuthi uyalike, uyasifollowa, ukusubscribe, ukuthika nje to subscribe. Yazi abantu but I think bekuthiwa kuyasubscribe abanele feeling yokuthi ngathi khona bazokhokha. But it's free. Yazi ngifunani Dennis, ngifuna ungicheckela lento yes-educate abantu manje. This thing is not about actor lokho esikubona ku-TV kuphela. There's a lot behind the scenes.
For sure.
I think including no makeup artist. Okubalela izinto ezila othi ngifuna ukuya kosebenza kuZalo, but ngingasho ukuthi ngifuna ukuyolingisa.
Yeah.
Izinto ezikhona.
So nje from behind the scenes there's writing. You can be a writer. You can be a production manager. You can be a production, was a production manager or production coordinator? Then there's makeup. You can be a makeup artist. You can be a hairstylist. You can work in wardrobe department where you're a stylist or whatever. Your department is just ugqokisa abantu. And baningi abantu. So in each, like in the hair and makeup department, baningi abantu. So akabu makeup artist or yet.
Yeah.
So about 3. And then mhlawumbe kube khona hairstylist mhlawumbe about 2. Then we wardrobe mhlawumbe about 4. You know, HOD, then every other person then has a role nabo abayenzayo. Then you can be an assistant director or you AD. So
Floor manager.
you're basically the floor manager. Yeah, ngifuna ukusho njalo, you're basically the floor manager. There's lighting. The lighting inabantu bayabaningi akuyena umuntu oyedwa. There's grips, laba handlisha, they take the thing and they put it like the camera legs, bathatha camera, bafaka camera, bathatha ama-tracks, bafaka ama-tracks lana, and all the other equipment and stuff. They work with the equipment.
Catering.
Catering. What else? Khona futhi enye. I mean, obviously, then there's
Khona
the
no
bigger.
driver.
Khona no driver. Yes, khona no
Akekho
driver.
accommodating.
Yeah.
But how do you apply?
Kuningi. I mean, you send the CV yakho first. You put in your CV. Don't be afraid to look up the offices. Go fake CV yakho. Uthi mfethu mina code bani ade ngangidriver. Mhlambe I was working wherever as a driver. I've been working for so many years. Mhlambe ngaretrench emsebenzini, I'm looking for a job. You never know.
Ngithatha kanjani umsebenzi wami ngidlalela lokushini ngibhala ngibe right ngoba story sangempela lesi. I'm a good writer but I don't know ukuthi ngiyisa kanjani lento forward manje ukuthi igcine idlala ku TV njengabantu be stained glass. Yo bosses akithi nabo bahlanganisa amabali bakhona bahlanganisa umbhalo but esibona ku TV manje ngikhulumela outime lapha eGasi nje lapha eMlazi yabo. Iyafuna ukuthi into zayo ihlangane. It's a good writer unezinto aseyibhale yena.
Yeah.
Afuna ukuthi
It's tricky, shame. And I don't want to give advice on it because I'm not really familiar with how that works. But in thing as into look up copywriting, have your idea and your story copywritten so that ingabe khona lento ukuthi abantu bantshontshelana bantshontshelana idea yakho, especially if you're just a guy ongazi lutho in terms of the industry. Umuntu engayithatha nje idea yakho mhlambe ashintshe igama ashintshe atweak those few things and then it seems like it's a different thing, but when we ask actually that's my story, then he gets and get it clear izinto ukuthi
yini extra yini ukubaleka kwe extra ngenzakalani bo extra
mesishusa restaurant kungekho umuntu restaurant then it's not a restaurant. So having extras, it gives the feel and the look. Okay, no, we are in a real space. You know what I mean? Like if we're at a salon, Mrs. Salon, just the characters of actor yokuphela asenza look muntu. Is there even a salon yangempela? It gives I'm extra complete the story. Basically, they complete the picture and the story, and the real lifeness of it. Yes, of course they do.
Is it?
Yes.
How umuntu ebona evele ku TV usafuna ukhona?
Hoyibo wena ungafuna. Hey wena siswe. Khona umuntu ongasebenza bese ngaholi, hayibo.
Yazi ukuthi leshandiseni khona abantu abangabonga ukuthi njalo 8:30. By the way uyavela njalo ku TV kodwa ubungaveli phela.
Kanjani manje uthi
Cha phela ubungaveli mhlawumbe lapha la uzala angifuni ukumislead abantu ngithi uvela njalo umuntu ahamba yobuka kanti ka leyo date ubungeke ukuvele wena bekuzovela abanye or vela zonke izinto.
Maybe most I think I don't know. Like one episode or just watch the whole show though. Like akusho ukuthi like angas buki show. Just watch it. If you're gonna watch it. Maybe there's like one episode langaveli. If there's another storyline that is gonna take the whole episode, but
is it kind of listen to I consider it though with ama-rumor because I don't know how true. There's a umuntu esifazane ni like lutho ukuthi ulale nasambhale kulezinto. I'm just checking.
Hayi leyo iya ngomuntu nje. Iya ngomuntu. Wena mufuna ukuyenza leyo nto, that's on you.
Wasinda wena.
But phela ngibhayizi mina. Angibhayizi phela mina.
Ubathendela abantu abababayo mfethu.
Angibhayizi phela mina. Shame, no, look, I've heard of stories.
Waziqiniso.
Yeah, zikhona phela iziqiniso. There have been incidents of couch casting. Mhlawumbe namanje I'm sure namanje I'm sure asakhona shame ingane zabantu. But ke
Ngama-advise thina ungabi desperate kakhulu.
yeah, don't be desperate at all. Not ukuthi ungabi desperate kakhulu. Yabo nje empilweni mina I don't believe in desperation. What's meant for you will be yours.
True, eh?
Yes, what's meant for you will be yours. Just persevere.
That's true motivation.
You must persevere. You don't have to act. You mustn't do into out of your nature just because. Yes, musthandaza ungakushiyi. That is 100%. Ungakushiyi uthandaza, but uNkulunkulu akasoze akulahla mfethu ukuthi fanele uzuhambe uyolala nomuntu just to get a job now. Whatever's yours will get you, and you must have faith. Sometimes vele things happen where you seem like I've lost all hope. But that's when the true miracles happen.
Yeah. Kodwa nje shame yazi. Hey yayi kube ukuthi nawe uvela umthanda lo muntu.
Phela umthanda.
Kufanele ukufake futhi umsebenzi.
Angikwazi ukadvise ngalutho kuma ukuthi nawe uyamfila.
Ngoba kuyenzeka.
Do your thing ke.
Do
your thing ke. Do your thing. Phela ukuthi nawe uyayifunela mfethu ayi.
Kuzothiwa.
Do your thing.
Hey mfethu usayilento le ushutha nabantu ubatshela ukuthini ngoba khona ulambele nawe mhlawumbe uphuthume igwinya umuntu uthi tell isithobe nawe and all the stuff ubheke kanjani lapho
yazi le yanto mfethu. And I don't want people to take this the wrong way, because ngiyazi ukuthi abantu kahle basuke bejabule. And it's nice mina sijabulela, but guys, sometimes really I just like ngifuna nje mhlambe ngisegethwe ngifuna nje ukurana lawo ma errands ami ngiqede ngihambe yabo. Sometimes ngifuna nje ukuhlala phansi ngidle
uzuqede enjoy ukudla kwakho
la
kusizwe
mhlambe ngikwi date yabo ngifuna ukuconnecta la yabo mhlambe ngine meeting like yes. Sometimes it's just not the right time. Like hi Kabi though, like I get it, but it's not always gonna be the right time. Like kuyenzeka guys, it's just not the right time. So if I politely say, hey, it's namhlanje, please understand.
Yeah.
It's not a you thing. It's a me thing. Yeah, no, but ngiyacela like not today. Mhlambe vela ngikho right. Mhlambe umoya umuphikile. Mhlambe umfana ungidudethile. Mhlambe ngicikekile. Whatever. Mhlambe I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I've been working. I've been doing all these things. It's just not the right time for me at that moment. Like, and abantu need to understand, guys, we are human. Akekho umuntu ngitshele mina ongakwazi ukuthi every single day as soon as you step outside and go somewhere, you must entertain and speak to like 50 people. Ushuthe nabantu labo bonke laba bantu, ukhulume nabo bonke laba bantu, and give off all this energy to all these people in the same way before you go back home to rest. It's a lot.
Yeah, not true.
It's a lot, guys. Like now nje zicabanga nje uwena sis uzohamba uye Oceans Mall. And most uyangena as soon as ungena nje one mupaka imoto parking nangu ukagadi uzoqala nje uyena. You understand? Ungene uqala umunye security la ngaphakathi ungene esitolo abanye mhlawumbe bawu5 esitolo bafuna attention yakho uyaphume futhi kuleso sitolo uyongena kwesinye. It's a lot. Sometimes you really just want to go somewhere and just do your thing and keep it moving.
Yes, it's lento echazayo ingichaza ngento eyodwa nami benginakho back of my mind uthi hayi lo uyayitshela lo hayi lo uyayitshela beni ngikhokhela iDStv kubuka yena bese uzoyitshela kapha but ngendlela oyinarisa ngayo iyazwakala.
It's a human thing. It's not about ukuthi ngiphakeme ngenjani. Like guys, sometimes ngempela like kuba kuningi. Really kuba kuningi. Angiphathi ke uzohambe imicimbi or uhambe
I feel you.
Yeah. So sometimes you know when someone says ay namhlanje face, please just take it as a shame.
But it depends ukuthi kusho kanjani.
Yes, it does also. I think the way you interpret it, but abantu also Sizwe can cross line. Abantu banakho kuba overly familiar even though asazani.
Oh yeah.
And I think abantu bayakhohlwa lokho like asazani. You know me from watching me on TV, but we don't know each other. You know, so also
Personal.
now when you approach me, the approach must be I'm approaching someone that I don't know. So first of all, umuntu mongamazi mama approach ambingelela. Some people don't do that. Like fanele uzomkhumbuza umuntu uthi hayibo sawubona. Unjani? Nokuthi I think nabazali nabantu abadala fanele bafundise ingane zabo ukuthi mebebona ufikile angene ufikile kwena ngingane ngo andifikile noma ngosisifikile. Like I'm not like you're a child also, you know, like thina especially nje amazulu nje we have that according that respect. And futhi not just amazulu, actually ngamanga I think all black people across the like across South Africa wonke ama cultures lento nje yoku address umuntu omdala ngendlela ethize is important. You know, I mean I've had kids come to me, hey wena fikile, and I'm like, hey wena. Like even my nieces and nephews don't speak to me like that. Like, what do you mean? I've got a daughter.
Beautiful one.
Very beautiful.
Not understand this one, but
no.
But I'm sure buhle.
Buhle mntana bakithi.
Yazi ukuthi asicheckeni bese sesivala nje lento because sisesabe kakhulu la ngizi sizombiza uLelisa oDube ngelikafikile lapha la kuzalo azophinda azokhuluma nathi because iningi nje ngafunda abantu abasha ngicabanga ukuthi icapulile ezodwa wayichaza ukuthi ihamba kanjani aba agency uyibambela abathupha involvement lawyer and all that stuff usichazelele kamnandi futhi with a smile wasichazela futhi ukuthi bowuhlangana naye ubuthi hola lapho ufikile yazi ukuthi check i-age usuqaba yazi ngifuna ukuchecka into oyithandayo nongayithandi understand leyo or omprefera nongamprefera.
Oho, okay.
ukhoni Ferguson noChiwan yazi lo senda kushona yazi ngikhathe igama lakhe kamana nomama senda kushona wayemuhle nje odark
Umamkhoni naye. Yes.
Okay. Which one?
Oh. As an actor, because angibazi personally.
No, simbuka nje lapha ku TV njengami actor. Who's the best? Who do you think is the best?
But they're both good, Njena. Like how to... Okay, I'll only say Umamkhoni because...
You have to choose one.
Umamkhoni because she's been at it much longer. Not to say that Connie Ferguson isn't great. She's also great, but Umamkhoni she's been doing it much longer and also internationally. So I'll go. Yeah, she was on Wakanda Forever. So I'll go with Umamkhoni.
Chiefs or Pirates?
Bopa baga baga. Bopa baga baga.
Awuyazi into ezoyenziwa
Sila
this season.
Sila musana ukuchaza. Sila. Achaza. Asichazi.
Ukudla kwase restaurant or ukudla kwase ekhaya.
I can make restaurant food at home.
Business class or economy?
No, private jets. Private jets.
Oh, already taking back grade state boy boogie bola futhi. Uhlala
kuma-suite, of course.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, where am I cheating lapha nakufuqa ngensanga ngancane usuke lokushini. Where am I cheating?
Ngizophuma nginjani lapho? Ngizoyibuka yini igame ngizobe ngisayibona kahle
igame. Uzi language
abathi. Hayi kuningi.
Lethe phela uthola khona. Yabantu ibulale ngaba ngaba-shows e-TV
Yeah.
ngwenikwa yini script
Yes.
lisitike kwi-script kanti boya laphana emajideni la ekubhenywa khona ukuthi uzozwa i-language kwesinye isikhathi
That's actually true.
uthathe i-text
That's actually true.
elokishini.
That's actually true. Angeke ngigibele itaxi but le amajida leyo, that's actually very true. That's actually
Yabona?
very true. Yeah, that's very, very true.
Yeah.
Yeah, uqinisile lapho.
Yeah.
I've been with the majidas elokishini, like I know
Yeah,
the people
awuhlali
in
namajida
elokishini.
kancane.
Angihlali nabo but ngiyabazi like
There's
but
nothing wrong.
ngiyabazi no how much abantu engikhule nabo ngawo.
So
Mina
preferani,
I'm
gays or lesbians?
hawu ngibathanda both. Hawu manje ngikhetha kanjani-ke lapho? Ngikhetha kanjani lapho?
Cha phela uzokhetha yodwa ukuthi hayi ama-gays laba le behavior yabesilisa ngiyayithanda kunale yabesifazane or le yabesifazane ngiprefera yona kule yabesilisa. Ofuna ngithi laba aba-straight-ke nalaba ama-gays which one? Obvious.
Anginankinga. I love all of them. I love all. It's not about whether you're gay or straight or whatever or lesbian or whatever or transgender or whatever. Win is the most important thing. I've got gay friends. I've got lesbian friends.
Ngithethe serious lento ngoba manje usuyiphendula ngokwepolitiki.
Bathi angikwazi ukukhetha, angikwazi ukukhetha. Ba-right bonke, ba-right
I'm
bonke.
giving you the opportunity to choose. Choose one.
I can't. Angikwazi ukukhetha lapho. Ba-right bonke.
Cha uyayizwela-ke umuntu oyifriend yakho ekuchitha bukhoma.
Angimchithanga. Hawu kanjani nje. Bathanda bonke honestly.
Ngiyadlala sibonge kakhulu mfethu ama-parting shots.
Yeah. Parting. Hey, God is good, guys.
Yeah.
Stay prayed up. Stay prayed up. Yes, it's a very weird time nje, in the world right now. You know, people are going through a lot. We're seeing a lot happening, especially in South Africa. Economically, politically, socially, kuningi but
Economically kuyabheda eMzansi angazi petroli.
asazi nasi.
For sure usunama-outer 3 khona kufanele upetrol khona enje.
Kanjani manje? Ngine outside yodwa mina.
Ne-outer yodwa?
Yes.
Oh yena umuntu wangempela.
Wangempela.
Serious? Uyakwenzela intsonke lezi zinto.
Even more.
Angaze ngibone ukuthi
Even more.
off to Dubai.
Even more. Angiposti mina impilo yami private. If you go on my social media, you ubone ukuthi I hardly post. I don't. Angiyena vele umuntu othanda ukubeka my private life out there, and it works for me. I prefer it that way.
So far.
Ungabe usukhipha indaba zami ngesizwe ngiyakwazi phela wena. Ungabe usukhipha indaba zami.
Kodwa kungcono-ke mfethu yazi.
Yeah.
Kungcono yazi. Uzobuya nini?
Kephi?
Ngiya-enjoy i-company yakho yazi.
No, nini? Ungitshela.
Uyiqala nini podcast? It looks like wow everyone starting i-podcast.
Should I start a podcast? Ekhuluma ngani?
Ekhuluma nge-industry nje entertainment. Unayo i-medical aid?
Yeah, anginayo.
Ujoyinile ucebo lethu?
Angijoyina ngicela.
Ngiyadlala. Ujoyinile i-funeral trustee?
Yes. I've got all of those things. I've got a life cover. I've got everything. I've got all the things.
Ukuthi kuthiwa izinto ey'challenge kakhulu ama-artist.
Yeah.
Yabona ngoba angiwablame now because 6 months uyasebenza kwenze kulandela u3 months or 4 months awusasebenzi ama-policies ayalapse.
Yeah, it is tricky,
one of our
Shem.
challenges,
But I think like there's also, if you look at different companies that do these things, khona manje that offer ukuthi what is it called? Is term yayo ngesingisi, but it's an insurance basically ukuthi if kwenzeka ungasebenzi for a certain amount of time, they cover that. So ayilapse. So uzobazo add for example 100 rand on top of your premiums. So that's the insurance that you're paying ukuthi if ever kugenzeka ukuthi awusenayo imali yokhokha, then it covers for that amount of time. So akhona ama companies that offer things like that. So it's just about abantu need to just do a bit of research. Especially for us, because I remember Hey, angifuna ukubasharaza kakhulu because abangikhokheli, but anyway, I was part of Durban Business Fair, and I remember I had a discussion with. I was on can I talk about another podcast on this podcast?
No, it's okay. It's
Okay, so I was doing some work with Business Fair this year, Durban Business Fair, with eBiz to Be
Yeah,
podcast.
ngiyakhumbula
eBiz to Be is
amathitha
it's basically a business podcast. So we're interviewing different companies and different people that own businesses and whatever not. So eDiscovery was there, and I actually spoke to the guy Loaga Discovery rep. And we spoke about, okay, our industry people, how do you accommodate us and the kind of work that we do? And they've got indlela zoku-accommodate us. So people just need to
ama-package athize.
so abantu just need to do a bit of the research.
As I didn't know about that. Yazi ku-right kakhulu mhlawumbe kusafanele sithole omunye because inhloso yethu kwi-News Avenue ukuthi sibuye si-educate
Yeah.
sika-entertainer
Yeah.
but at the ultimate aid kufanele abantu bazuze something.
Yes.
Yabona especially ama-artist
Yeah.
engasazuze lokho nje ukuthi abe covered especially kulezi zinto because ibaluleke kakhulu
Kakhulu.
yabona.
And I think abantu baku-industry yethu have something else that you're doing ezokungenzela imali.
Eceleni ne.
Noma ngabe kuthiwa yini, it doesn't matter how small it is, it doesn't matter how big it is, even if uvula i-tuck shop, even if ushiya umuntu ukini ozoxova ujeqa adayisa, I mean ozoxova lentunja adayisa
Flower,
amagwinya.
adayisa amagwinya.
Like anything that's gonna give you money eceleni, so that you don't have to always just rely on this.
Babe sebeyeka lento ukugijimisa amantombazane nokupha imali amantombazane because that thing futhi nakhona iyakhawathi yabo ngoba ufika uwaphu kuvela izimo ezikanje ukuthi ulimele.
And then mase bayakushiya phela musungasenayo
abasenasikhathi sakho badlule and baqhwele abantu.
Yeah.
Ntombazane ikutshela mathi hayi angihambi nawe.
Bayayiza nje nabo kuthanda izinto. Yeah, bayayiza nje shame. I won't lie, ubayiza nje lokho.
I'm not sure.
Ungahamba nje uhamba upha abantu imali yakho esebenzela kanzima nje uhambe nje baningi bawu5 uyabapha.
Phela especially bengakakuvakashili.
Ubhuti bethu bayabhayiza shame, sorry.
Ngobatshela.
Do better guys. Zitholela umuntu wakho nje mfethu oyedwa oright.
Yeah.
Obonayo ukuthi hayi lo right singaphusha naye, like don't.
No, you're right, yes.
Uzuthole nezinto ezi-extra ongayidingi lapho uhamba ucophoza nje.
Ngoba no those behlisile kancane indaba yengculazi kuyiphusha but it's still there.
Angithi kune-prep phela manje.
Oh, okay.
Sekuphusha i-prep manje.
Hayi but ke kufanele babuye bayiphushe nengculazi ukuthi isakhona. Bahlwa siswethu kodwa abanye bayagula.
Yeah, no bhuti bethu labanye bahle but bayagula, so yeah, ifanele
uyibheke
for sure. Take care of yourself nje. Take care of yourself.
Don't you dare do what I wouldn't do. If you do it, please take pictures. We out.